barely even know your name, but I want you. I want it bad, want it bad. I've got a crazy mind, I can't fight it. I get that all the time, all the time. So here goes my open letter to you, 'cause I've been watching you from across the country. If I could be a star-crossed, more than friend, yeah, I would be so good to you, good to you. And here goes my voice, I'll sing it out. I wanna get so lost with you in the here and now. And there's nothing else I wanna say, 'cause I'm losing my mind for you. So won't you be my secret girl? You could be my secret girl. Yeah, you could be my secret girl. And if you look to the sky tonight, I'm sending you a song, hope I'm singing it right. You can even be my heartbreak, I don't mind. Don't wanna keep you far, been so far all my life. Yeah, I've been watching you, girl. You're so pretty when you smile.